guys, welcome back to another chop video, and this week we'll be making air fried potatoes or roast potatoes, same thing. We're gonna start off by getting about 6 potatoes, then we're gonna rinse them off. Alright guys, so after rinsing the potatoes, we're gonna cut them into some small cubes. So you're gonna get one of the potatoes, then you're gonna cut it in half, lengthwise. And you're gonna go like this again, and then cut it once more. So around that size. Ensure that all of them are or most of them are the same size. Alright, so we're gonna add salt to the potatoes. It's garlic salt. All in all, I added about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So you guys add the amount of salt that you can handle, or your threshold for salt. Add a little black pepper. Add some dry thyme. Add a little onion powder. We are going to add some fresh rosemary. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're gonna mix everything together. So there you have it. Alright guys, so we're gonna preheat the air fryer to about 355 degrees or 360. We're gonna preheat it for like a few minutes so that when the potatoes go in there, get crispy fast. Put the potatoes inside the basket. Spread them out. Make sure that all of them are touching the basket. So there they are. So we're gonna cook this at 355 degrees for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them and cook them for an additional 12 minutes. Okay, so get that one over there. So 10 minutes first.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're gonna flip them now. Alright, so after flipping them, we're gonna put them back for another 12 minutes until they're crispy.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so these have been air roasted for 22 minutes. So there's the end result right there. Some beautiful herb roasted, well, air fried potatoes, and they're nice and soft. So look at it, it's nice and soft. So you can have these instead of french fries on a Friday night. Nice meal. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, send it to a friend, let them subscribe too. Thanks for watching. I'm out.